I'm Carol McNally. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been a teacher of the English language arts and literacy for more than 20 years. I've taught all ages of students and all types of learners. On my channel, I will be posting videos about techniques to understand and improve reading fluency and comprehension, writing fluency and sophistication, use of English grammar, application of learning strategies, and preparation for high-stakes testing. I will offer academic content to support many different types of learners. Students studying for SAT/ACT, middle school and high school students working in blended learning or independent learning structures, or students who just need more explanation on topics they didn't quite understand at school. Even those in need of targeted remediation will benefit from my video lessons, as will homeschoolers. Teachers may even want to show these videos in their classrooms to introduce subjects or provide follow-up instruction. Adults will benefit from the content I offer on my channel too, whether you're just brushing up on communication skills to enhance professional performance, satisfying a curiosity about topics you've either forgotten or never really learned, or looking for a resource to help you help your own children or grandchildren. There's something here for everyone. You'll learn how to communicate more effectively and enhance your literacy skills here at Never Stop Learning. I'm so glad you're here. Please be sure to subscribe for new content and leave a comment below. Introduce yourself.